It's Mark from ProjectorScreen.com, and behind me today is a 130-inch 16:9 Stewart WallScreen 2.5 frame with StudioTek 100 material. We just installed it. It is the new reference screen for the ProjectorScreen.com home theater. It's a 1.0 gauge material, Lambertian diffusion, industry standard. It delivers accurate colors, exceptional detail, and really wide viewing angles. The screen, paired with our theater's JVC DLA-NZ900 8K projector, an Epson QL3000 projector with 6,000 ANSI lumens, provides a reference quality viewing experience in our blacked out theater space, one that's designed to get the most out of the screen thanks to the painted black walls, black velvet on the ceiling. It all helps to maximize the contrast. The Stewart screen comes in a large protective box with the screen material safely stored in its own reusable tube. And that's ideal if you ever need to disassemble and move it. The written instructions are included. Very basic. All you need for the installation is enough space to fit the screen on the floor, a drill, a tape measure, a level, a screwdriver, a drop cloth, and a ladder. The frame assembles in a matter of minutes. You tighten some bolts, it's together. And the material snaps right on, which is very convenient. Some other screens you have to fiddle with rubber bands or springs, and it takes an hour. This, 5 minutes, you're done. You add the brackets to the wall, and the screen hangs flush. The bottom is held in place by a pair of magnets. The purpose of this theater is to provide a reference viewing environment where we can audition different projectors and speakers so we can tell you about how they perform. Join us next time and keep on projecting.